In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the trim command in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll feel confident cleaning up drawings quickly and precisely. Let's start with the simplest way to launch it. In the command line, type trim, or just TR, and press enter. Trim is designed to remove portions of objects where they intersect with other objects, which AutoCAD treats as cutting edges. Think of it as a fast targeted eraser that respects your geometry. By default, you are in quick mode. In this mode, you don't need to define cutting edges first. Just move your cursor over the segments you want to remove and click. AutoCAD looks for nearby intersections and trims up to those boundaries. If you want to remove several stray pieces at once, click and drag to draw a freehand line that passes through multiple objects. Anything that the line crosses and can be trimmed will be removed in one sweep. This is especially handy for cleaning hatch boundaries, extra lines from layout adjustments, or leftover construction geometry. If you are working in a dense area, take a moment to zoom in so you can clearly see which segment will be affected before you click. And if you trim too much, don't worry, an immediate undo will bring it right back. Now, if you prefer more control, switch your mindset to what's commonly called standard mode. Here, you tell AutoCAD exactly which objects should act as cutting edges first. To do that, select the lines, polylines, arcs, or other objects you want to serve as boundaries. When you are done selecting them, press enter. Now select the objects or segments you want to trim back to those boundaries. AutoCAD will only trim where the selected items meet your chosen cutting edges. This approach is great when your drawing is complex, and you don't want nearby geometry to influence the result. You can pick a single cutting edge for precision or several at once to build a clear trimming fence around the area you are refining. When you've finished removing the unwanted segments, press enter or press ESC to exit the command. It's a simple habit that keeps your workflow clean and your focus on the next task. With a little practice, you'll find that choosing between quick mode for speed and standard mode for control becomes second nature. Use quick mode for broad cleanups and standard mode when accuracy around specific boundaries matters most. That's it. Thanks for watching.